Well, my son's involved slightly in the sort of animal medical world, and he spoke to an orthopaedic friend of his and said to me, look, you need to get quite fussy about it, and you need to get precision. He said, this is, getting the angles and things right, all of which sent shivers down my spine. So I started to do some research, really, and looked up. He said, look for people who do a lot of them, who have got enough experience, enough time under their belt, as it were, and look for a place that does lots of them. And that's when I latched on to the sort of robotic thing. My wife had had a hip replacement about 20 years earlier, and that chap had retired. So it's sort of a natural starting point, really. And so it was a matter of starting from scratch, looking up people. And I was looking for volume. I came across James, who seemed to do an awful lot of them, 3 times more, I think, than the average at the time. Maybe it's more than that now. And then I saw they did robotic, and so it went from there, and I made an appointment.